What is going on, peeps, and welcome back to another video, welcome back to another vlog. And you can see by the title of the video, today we are installing a CTR wing on the hatch, the one that I had, the OEM one is completely destroyed. I'll show you guys that. I will also show you how to install the CTR wing, just because some of my friends are like, do an install video, do a how-to video. Some people might want to see that. So usually I just run through it, I time lapse everything real quick, and I don't really show you guys. So today I'm going to show you guys how to install the Type R wing. And I also got this. I went to Home Depot because a friend of mine on Instagram told me to use this, and I saw it on his car. So basically, goof off to take off some of the glue that was left on the previous owner. That, man, I got no lighting here, it's crazy. Some of the previous owner had like a rain guard or whatever around the door, and when I took that off, it was already completely off, but when it came off, all the glue stayed on and some of the plastic stayed on. So I'm going to use this goof off to fix it. I'm also going to use this goof off for this. Let me show you guys, because this will help a lot. If you have a lot of those trims that are bad and they're corroded and they're all messed up, let me show you. So basically, this is the glue that needs to come off. As you can see, there's still some there from the previous whatever ring guard, or I don't know what you call that, or I forgot the name right now, and there's some right there. So this trim right here, I'm going to hit that off with the goof off, and that should definitely help. Also, look at the wing. I had to use a little bit of tape because this is basically off. This is completely off because I took out the screws already, and it even has a hole right there. Anyway, so we're gonna do that. Let's get to that. Let's hit the goof off with this, and let's try to get all this glue off from over here before we install the CTR wing. And yeah, let's go ahead. Hey, put the place up. Put my face up. Alright guys, so both sides are done. This, I might have to change this strip one day, but you can see the difference. You see how shiny it is, and it looks way better. Let me go around, show you the other one. There's a little bit of paper there still, but you can just see the difference, how it looks good, how good it looks. I don't know if the camera can capture it, but it looks very good. Alright guys, so this turned out to be harder than it was. I have to remove this panel here. I'm actually going to touch it up and give it a paint, but this is extremely hard for me to take out. I think I'm going to end up going to the auto parts and buying some adhesive removal, because that's just not coming off, and I don't think the glue on or the glue off is doing a good job on it. I got a razor blade, but I just don't want to mess up the trim. So yeah, let's go ahead and continue. Alright, so I basically took advantage that, you know, I was doing the thing with the door, and I said, you know what, I need to do the transmission flush, which I have the Honda oil there, and I really haven't done it just because I didn't have that extension. But I went to Harbor Freight yesterday and I picked up I think it was like $6 Pittsburgh, like a little set, and it came with like 4, so I added 3, and I think I'm going to be able to get down to the speed sensor down there. I'm going to get the transmission fluid done. I'm going to go pick up the adhesive remover at the auto parts, and I got to pick up a little gel there to put on a little hole that it has that I got to cover up. Other than that, then as soon as I come back, I'll show you guys the Type R wing, and we're gonna tackle it and show you guys how to install that. Just want to give you a quick look again, because I love it how you don't see any wires anymore, and this is how they look when they're tucked back there. And over there you basically can't see nothing. But yeah, we definitely have to clean this engine bay. I would really like to just remove this engine, clean the whole bay, and put it back on. But anyways, let's go ahead and do that. Let's finish the transmission flush, which is way overdue, and let's keep going. Why you doing all that? Thought you was my wife, but you slapped me in the back. Look at this guy. Brought him out and he's out here getting sun. This dog is a trip. Anyways, went to the auto parts and I found these for the distributor. I said to myself, I'm gonna go OEM, but then I got to the auto parts and I'm like, you know what, since this car is getting a swap anyways, it doesn't really matter what kind of bolts I put on it, as long as they work and they look good. That's about it. So I got these at the auto parts, and that should be it. Let's go ahead and put that on and keep working on the car and drain the transmission, and that's it. Alright, so as you guys can see, that's the screw right there for the transmission fluid. Just gonna take that off, and let's see how dark that, or how bad that comes out, because I really hope this thing is not like full of, you know, full of freaking metal or whatnot. I hope so. Here it goes. And doesn't look that bad actually. Does not look bad at all. At least from what I'm looking at here. Doesn't look bad at all. And it looks like they did one not long ago anyways. But anyways, at least I know in my mind that I'm doing it. And it should be good to go with the OEM Honda one. And yep, let's get to it. Alright, so let's go ahead and put the funnel through here. Get a little zoom in on that. Not a zoom in, a focus. Go ahead and put the funnel through there. You're gonna put your OEM Honda oil or whatever oil you have through there, and then you put the speed sensor back on. Don't forget to put your screw on the bottom, and that's it. I got an engine degreaser there that I'm gonna hit this up so much. As soon as I finish, everything will come off. You're gonna see it's gonna look really good. All right, so I ended up going to Harbor Freight and picking up this torque wrench from Pittsburgh. I cannot believe I only paid $9.99 for this torque wrench. It might not be the best, and I might still have to wiggle with it, you know, give it a little bit of torque on my own, but has a lifetime warranty, and anything that happens to it, I get to go and return it. And that's about it. Let me show you guys the Type R wing, and you guys can see how good it looks. And let's go ahead and put that on. All right, so basically, to remove the wing, you have to take out that screw that's right there, that screw that's right there. You gotta come over here, take that one out, and you gotta take that one out. They're already loose, because I had plans on changing it, so I had to pre-taking them out. And yeah, that's about it. Let's go ahead and remove that, and let's come put on the wing. I'm excited. Wait till you guys see the wing. You're gonna love it. Alright guys, so when you remove the wing, you're gonna have your third brake light, which is over here. What you want to do is you want to pop up this little grommet, and you want to remove it from here. Also, you want to make sure you clean that up, because that's been there for like 15 something years, or God knows how old your car is. And that's about it. Just clean that up, remove this, put that back, and you're just gonna have this without the wires. I'll give you a look at how that looks. I'll show you right now. All right, so I'm gonna show you how to use this gasket, but first you gotta depin this. So as you can see, the pins are in there, and you just kind of have to go in, pop it up, and then pull. Let me get adjusted here. You have to go and pop it up, and then just pull, and then that just comes off like that. Again, pop it up, and then just pull, and that comes off like that. And then you pull this through. I think it should come pull through. Yep. And this is your little gasket, and that is relief right there. And then let's go ahead and put that on, so you guys can see how it's gonna look. So this is the hole. Just push that through, and put your little gasket back on. If it's somehow touching the wing, or it's not letting the wing go through, just give it a cut, and maybe you can lower it down, and that's about it. Booyah! This is the wing right here. It has a side-bond carbon fiber base plate, OEM CTR in the top. And that's how it looks. Let's get into some B-rolls real quick. I haven't done that in a while. Alright guys, so this is how it looks on. All you have to do now is just open it up and tie the screws down, and that's pretty much your CTR wing. And it looks amazing. Finally, I'm able to replace that old thing that was there, getting some authentic Type R CTR parts. Nice. And what you want to do now is just go ahead and put back your screws. The one here, the one here, the one here, the one here, and that's basically your wing. So let me show you guys when it's installed. Let's go. And this is it, guys. This is installed. The guy that sold it to me, or the guy that gave it to me, was Matt from work, and he said he has the original base plate, the OEM one there. But for now, I'll keep this carbon fiber one until he gets me the other one. And yeah, that's about it. Type R wing, man, I can't wait to get this car painted. This car needs paint ASAP. And yep, that's it right here. Let's go ahead and finish up. We should be good to go. Alright guys, so that's it for today's vlog. Transmission change, CTR wing installed with the side-bond base plate. I want to see if I get the OEM one, because I think it's going to fit better than that. But that's about it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Subscribe, it goes a long way. Remember to follow your dreams and don't let anyone tell you what to do or what not to do. Let's go.